Hello everyone, this is Deepti, Senior Nutritionist with Motherhood Indiranagar. So during pregnancy, I'm sure you have a lot of doubts about what to eat, how much to eat, and a lot of people also will be telling you, eat this, don't eat that, this is good for you, this is bad for you. So I'm sure you will be all confused of, is it really good whatever I'm eating? So Motherhood Hospitals have come out with a very good initiative of bringing everyone together in one forum, which is called as Little Things About Pregnancy, which is held on 13th July, that is of this month. So you all can come and attend these sessions where all the experts will be in one forum. So I will also be there talking about diet during pregnancy. So you can come there and clear all your doubts about diet, exercise, pregnancy in whole. And I'll be looking forward for you all to come there. Thank you so much.